What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel, and well, today we're going to be talking about this Jurassic Park Jeep Wrangler, of course built in Lego. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So what this is a Jeep Wrangler YJ, which I'm pretty sure was built between 1986 and 1995. And basically the way to distinguish a Jeep YJ among other Jeep Wranglers is of course by the headlights. They are in fact square and not circular like all the other Wranglers. And so this particular Jeep was featured in the original 1993 version of Jurassic Park. And it was of course used as a tour vehicle, among other vehicles like the iconic Ford Explorer that was also in that movie, which I might make in the future. But Lego actually did release a set on that Explorer, so you know, if you want to build this, I think it would go really great with that set. So the model itself is of course built in 6 wide Lego scale, meaning it is 6 as wide. And as always, I tried to fit as many signature details as possible. It's got these 3 overhead lights up here. It's also got these windshield wipers, which are just antenna pieces pressed into some grill tiles, which is a really great technique. It's also got a winch, as well as of course these 2 orange indicator lights under the square headlights. I also really want to achieve the classic Jeep front end. So to create the front fender, it's basically just a 1x1 clip piece with a 1x1 tile on top pressed onto this bar piece, and basically angles in such a way that it matches up pretty much perfectly with the other part of the fender and just makes that signature angled part. The hood also has that tapered profile, just using some wedge plates, which also works really great. And then in the rear here, we've got your spare tire, because this is of course a Jeep, and 2 very simple taillights. And of course, I can't forget the whole frame on top. This is probably one of the most challenging parts to design. The windshield is just built with a few red bar pieces, as well as some bar clip pieces, a really similar technique that I used on my Hummer EV mock. And then of course the bars switch to gray after you move behind that. And then the back, where it sort of curves down, actually uses these pistol pieces, which believe it or not have been coming in handy for a lot of my recent models, from exhaust pipes to bumpers to bar pieces like this. They're just really useful pieces. There is actually also a little bit of an interior on this model, as you can see here. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't actually tested if it fits minifigs, but I guess I can just do that real quick right now. Alright, so as you can see, we've got Emmett right here. We'll see if he fits in the front first. And well, that's actually pretty much perfect, I'm not gonna lie. He fits perfectly in and doesn't really stick out the roof. Now let's test the rear seats, which should work because the front ones worked. It's a little bit hard to get him in with his bar here, but let's see. And yeah, so there you have it. This car can fit 2 minifigs as 2 rows of seats. So yeah, that's a really nice feature to have, because not many of my other 6 wides can fit minifigs, I think. I don't know, I haven't really tested it in a while because I don't really focus on my interiors that much, but yeah, besides the point. And his pants fell off. That's just great. There are a lot of details that I got on this model. There's one that is sort of missing, and that will be the Jurassic Park logo on the side, because that would just really tie the whole build in and make it really seem like the Jurassic Park Jeep, but unfortunately I couldn't really get that. Maybe if you have the Jurassic Park set like I mentioned earlier, you could basically cut out one of the stickers to put here, or just cut out a piece of paper or something. I'm not really sure. And yeah, this Jeep would just be a great starting point for pretty much any other Lego Jeep build. You can of course modify it, put bigger wheels on, put maybe even working suspension. You can make an overlander, an off-roader, whatever you want to do. So I'd like to see you guys do that, whether you use this design or not. And so there isn't really too much more to mention about this model. I really liked how it came out. Just got a lot of small details that really make it stand out, I guess. It's got a lot of little lights on it. It's got the windshield wipers, which I really like. But anyways, that's enough of me talking. I do also have another 6 wide kind of off-road vehicle coming soon. Well, actually I already built it. It's probably, yeah, it's back there and it will come soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And this video is of course going to be a tutorial. So if you'd like to build this Jeep yourself, well, stay tuned and watch the tutorial, which is going to happen right now.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried sometimes.